What's up guys, Wyatt here, and today we're going to be testing out my brand new foam cannon, and I'm about to stop at Advanced Auto Parts and buy some new headlights, and we're going to go ahead and try and install those today. It's actually pretty nice out for the first time in like 3 weeks, so we're going to try our best. Hopefully the rain doesn't show up at all today. It's been on and off for the past 3 weeks, like I said. So I'm going to stop at Advanced Auto Parts and then head out to Jeff's, and I'll meet you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I'm back from Advanced Auto. I met Scott there. He was going to get some Duplicolor to paint his wheels, but they signed a new deal with Rust-Oleum paint, and he is going to try and use that, I believe, instead of the Duplicolor. I got my headlights. They are 9003 Sylvania ZXE HID Attitude fueled by Xenon. They look cool. I think they're gonna give me a brighter white. I hope they do. They were like 60 bucks, so I hope it was worth it. Stopping up at my house real quick to get something for my friend, and then I'll be out at Jeff's house. Alright, so as you can see, we made it out to Jeff's. I'm here with Scott. Jeff is not here right now. He should be back soon, and Corey's coming over here in like 5 minutes. These are the headlights I've got. They're, like I said, they're the Sylvania ZXE HID Attitude Xenon fueled. They're specific to my car. Everybody else has like 9004 and 9006, but for me, I take the 9003. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try and install these. Don't know if we're gonna wait for Jeff or if Scott and I are gonna do it ourselves. But yeah, that's the game plan for right now. Alright, so I got one of my new headlights in. It looks pretty good. Like, I assembled it all the way it looked when I took it out, so that's good. Trying to get the heat shield off now, and for the other headlight, and fit my hand down in this tiny hole. It's hot. It's really hot. So, Scott's here. Jeff's actually at work. I didn't realize that when I came out. So yeah, he's at work. We're waiting on him. Corey's not here yet, but when Corey gets here, they're gonna do his tint, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can get that other headlight in, so let's give that a shot. Alright, so Scott is taping up his wheels. He's painting the rims white, making some progress. I think we got almost all 4 off. I think there's two left on. What? He's playing some music. Hopefully we don't get a copyright strike. But yeah, look, we will. I know, right? Here's Jeffrey. I mean, we don't have a strike. He's working on it.
Getting there.
Getting it off. And then, yeah, we
We're gonna use my foam cannon. Here, let me show you. We're gonna try and use it today, but it does not work with Jeff's power washer. So it has this little air hose attachment on it, but it doesn't fit his pressure washer, so we're not gonna use it. So Scott's gonna take that home and try it himself and see if it's gonna work with his pressure washer. And yeah, that's a quick update for right now. Alright guys, so I'm back. We got my new headlights installed. That was pretty easy. Just a couple of clips and the wiring harness, and that was it. I'm currently driving back to Jeff's house. I had to go take care of my girlfriend's animals. She's on a trip. But we're currently working on Corey's tint for his Titan, and we are cleaning and polishing my headlight housing. So that's the plan for this evening. It's a little dark. It's currently 9:15 in the evening, but that's all right. We're still gonna get to it. I will see you guys there. Another thing we have going on is Scott is currently painting his wheels white, and when I left, he had about 2 coats on. And I've only been gone for like 10-15 minutes, so we'll see how far he got while I was gone. Yeah, so we'll get to it. Hang on. So I'm kind of jealous your headlights came up better. I know. Scott's got his wheels all painted. I think 4 coats or 5. 4. He's got 4 coats on there of white and a clear. And then he painted all his ones black.